Well, if you have an invention, you have every right to protect it from any other person using it. So in order to obtain that right, you need to get a patent over your invention. Which brings me to my purpose of being here, and that is to talk about patent. What exactly is patent? What all are patentable? How can you register for a patent? What will be the documents that will be required for the same? And how can Legal Rasa team help you with the same? So coming to a very basic question, and that is, what is a patent? A patent is a right that is granted to an inventor in order to protect his invention for a certain period of time from any individual who's misconducting or misusing his invention. Also, here the word invention refers to any unique product or process which solves a certain existing problem. So, in a nutshell, a patent is a right that is granted to an inventor who has made an invention which is new and useful. Anything that has new functional or the technical ideas is patentable. So basically the idea should involve these three essentials, which are: it must be new, it must involve an inventive step, and also it must be useful in doing something which has an application in the real world. There are various types of patents, out of which the provisional and the permanent patent are the most commonly obtained patents. They can be further explained as: a provisional patent is a temporary application made to the patent authority when the invention is not yet finalized and is still under experimentation. There are various advantages of a provisional patent, such as: if your invention is still not finalized, then you get a period of 12 months to complete your invention, also see its market value. Also, you get the priority right over your invention, and it is comparatively less expensive. So further, coming to the permanent patent, a permanent patent is a permanent document obtained after giving the full specification of the invention and the claims to the patent rights. It is obtained or is claimed for once the invention is fully developed, and also there are various advantages of the same. The main advantage is that once you obtain the permanent patent, you get to enjoy the protection of the patent for around a period of 20 years. The various documents and details that are required when you apply for a patent registration, which are: name, address and nationality of the applicant, the name, address and nationality of the inventor or the inventors. Then if you're going for the provisional patent, you need to submit the details of the provisional specification of the invention. And if you're going for the permanent patent, then you have to provide the complete specification of the invention. Then if there are any drawings, claims or abstracts and descriptions, then if you have applied for any other foreign applications for the patent, then you have to provide the details of the same as well.
Process for patent registration. Conduct a patent search. Based on the same, decide whether to go ahead with the patent application or not. If you go ahead with the patent application, fill the form for the same with the patent authority. Submit the required details and documents. If there comes no objection, or if the objections, if any, raised are solved to the satisfaction of the examiner, the patent is granted.
We at Legal Rasa have helped many individuals to get their inventions patented. If you want your invention to be patented through us, all you have to do is go to our website, that is www.legalrasa.com, select the patent registration option, fill the very simple online questionnaire, then you will receive an email from us regarding the next few steps and the documents and details that we will require. Submit the documents and details and you're done on your part. We'll do the rest. We'll then conduct a patent search for you and guide you accordingly. If you opt to go ahead with your patent application, we'll draft your patent application, and once it is granted, we'll let you know about the same. If you have any queries in between, you can contact us at 875-000-8585. I hope you liked the video. Bye-bye.